Hello, dear students. Good afternoon, everyone. So, hello, everyone. Myself, Praneet Kalyanam. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Praneet Kalyanam. I'm maths educator at Unacademy. I have 10 years experience in teaching IIT-JEE, guys. Previously, I have worked in Narayana China campus, Hyderabad, and Akash, Bangalore. I have worked. I have studied in IIT Roorkee. So, guys, in the previous class, we discussed shortcuts in mathematical reasoning where we can get the answer easily by applying verification method, as we discussed already 2020 questions in the previous session. So now we'll discuss 2019 questions by using this verification method. Okay, chalo, let's start this question. This is 2019 question. The Boolean expression negation of P implies negation of Q is equivalent to. So we can see the truth table here. So if you can remember this truth table, we can easily find the answer within 1 minute. Easily we can find it. So for that, what we can do is you can take any one of this substitution. Either you can take P true, Q true, or maybe you can take P true, Q false, or P false, Q true. Out of this 4 rows, any one substitution you take it. Okay. So let's take one substitution, guys. So I am taking first substitution as P is equals to true, I am taking, and Q is equals to false, I am taking it. So let's see what we get it. So first let's calculate the left hand side. So what is the left hand side? The left hand side is nothing but given quotient only. So given quotient means this is an expression which is left hand side. So that is a negation of P, we took it as a true, implies a negation of Q. Negation of Q is what? True. So true implies true. You can see here, true implies true is true, guys. True implies true is true. So we can say that this is equals to negation of true, which is equals to false. So we're getting false. But in the options, which option is giving false? Let's check it. So this is like true and false. True and false is false only we are getting here. Okay. So maybe answer should be, maybe it can be first option. So if you see this third option is becoming like true and false, true or false. True or false is becoming true, guys. So here it is going to be true. So can we eliminate option C? Because we need to get false. With the substitution, whatever substitution we have taken, we need to get false, but here we're getting true. So can we eliminate third option? Okay, chalo. Next, second option. What is the second option we're getting is? Second option, Q. Q is what? False. False implies false we are getting is. But what is false implies false? False implies false is true. So totally we are getting true, guys. But actually we need false. So second option also giving true. So can I eliminate second option? Yes. Easily we can able to eliminate second option. Now let's move to the fourth option, guys. Fourth option is what? Negation of P. Negation of P is what? False. False implies Q. False implies false. Again, false implies false is what? True only. So can I eliminate fourth option also? Yes. Guys, easily I eliminated 3 options with one substitution. Luckily, we could able to eliminate 3 options with a simple substitution. I took P true and Q false. I can able to eliminate 3 options. So directly I can say that first option is the answer. So let's see what we have done here. So instead of constructing truth table for the given expression and verifying the option, as it is taking more number of time, even if you want to calculate negation of this whole expression, so maybe sometimes you may not be remembering all the properties of mathematical reasoning. So in that case, what you can do is you can take a simple substitution. I am taking true false. Second case I am taking it, this substitution I am taking it. So if I take P true Q false, left hand side is becoming false. In the option also we should get false. But if you observe, only first option is giving false. Why? Because the true and false is false, true or false is true, and Q implies, Q is what? False. False implies false is true, and fourth option also, false implies false is true. So only first option is satisfying. That's it. First option is the answer. Easily we are getting it. So this entire process, if you practice it, it won't take more than 1 minute, guys. Whatever verification method we are doing it, this entire verification method won't take more than 1 minute. If you practice well, we can easily calculate within 1 minute, within half minute also you can able to do it. Okay, right. Chalo guys, let's move to the next question. So yes, first option is the answer as we already discussed. So now let's move to the second question. So this is the next question we have. So this is also 2019 question. Negation of Boolean expression. So that means finally what he's asking is left hand side. Negation of yes or negation of R and yes. This is what he's asking. So let's take one substitution. What substitution we can take is, let's take P is equals to so here two simple statements are there. One is yes. So yes, you can take it as false, and R you can take it as true. Any substitution you can take it. True, false, true. Any substitution you can take it. I am taking false, true. Whatever substitution you want, you can take it. Out of this four rows, any substitution you want, you can take it. I am taking false, true. Okay, if I take false, true and substitute here, let's see what I'll get it. Negation of S is what, guys? Negation of S is true. True or anything is true only, guys. You don't need to calculate this one, but okay, I'll calculate. So anyway, this is false. True or false is true. So negation of true we are getting is. So which is equals to false. In the options we should get false. Let's see where we getting false. In the options, first option is giving false. Third option is giving true. Fourth option is giving true. And what about second option, guys? Second option is giving negation of false, which is true. True and false we are getting, which is equals to false. That means actually we need to get false, but here option D and option C is giving option value true. So can we eliminate this option C and option D, guys? Can we able to eliminate this option C and option D easily? With one substitution, we could able to eliminate two options C and D. Now to eliminate one option out of A and B, one answer should be the answer. To eliminate one option from A and B, so we need to take some other substitution. So tell me, this is the first substitution we took it, and let's take the second substitution. Second substitution answer should be any one of these two. So what we can do is, we can take true. Yes is equals to true, I'll take it, and R is equals to true, I'll take it. Let's see what will happen. So now again you calculate left hand side, guys. If you calculate again left hand side is coming like negation of S is what? False. R, negation of R is what, guys? False. And true we are getting it. So finally if you calculate this, what we're getting is negation of this part is false. False or false is false. So negation of false, true we should get it, guys. So in the options where we getting true, again you don't need to check option C and option D. Already option C, option D we eliminated. Our aim is to eliminate one option out of first option and second option. Let's verify the first option, guys. If you verify the first option, what we getting it? Yes and R. Yes and R is what? Already we took the values. True and true we took it. So we're getting true, guys. Okay, first option is satisfying it. So now we can't say that first option is answer. We need to verify the second option also. If you verify the second option also, let's see what we're getting it. If you verify the second option, negation of yes and negation of R. This is what we're getting it. Let's check it. Negation of S, according to this substitution true and true, negation of S is false. False and false we are getting it, which is equals to false. But actually, we should get true, guys. We should get true, but we're getting false in the second option. So can I eliminate second option? Yes, I eliminated second option. So only option which is remaining is only first option, guys. So that's it. First option is the answer. Got it? How easily we are eliminating three options and obtaining the answer. So guys, let me tell you one thing. For your understanding purpose, I am explaining all this slowly. But when we want to do this question, it won't take more time. See, for explanation and all, it is taking 5-6 minutes. But when you want to do this procedure, it won't take more than 1 minute, guys. Within 1 minute, we can able to solve this question. All the questions from mathematical reasoning can be solved in 1 minute by using this verification method, which is very powerful method. Compulsory you get the answer within 1-2 substitutions itself. You will get the answer. Sometimes you will get the answer in one substitution also, just like first question we got the answer within one substitution. Sometimes if you are lucky, within one substitution we'll get the answer. That means you can get the answer within 30 seconds, 20 seconds also. Okay, right. So I hope you understood this question. First option, how we got the first option as answer. In the first substitution, yes, false, or true, we eliminated two options, C and D. And in the next substitution, yes, true and R true, we eliminated second option B. So finally, three options got eliminated. So only option remaining is first option. That's it. First option is the answer. Chalo guys, let's move to the next one. So here is the first option as answer. That's what we got it. Okay, right. Chalo. Let's do the next question, guys. This is also 2019 question. April question. Which one of the following Boolean expression is a tautology? Guys, what is meant by tautology? Tautology means always true. So which of the following is giving always true? That's what he's asking. Which of the following Boolean expression is giving always true? That means whatever substitution you take it, whether you take true, true, false, false, whatever you take it, we should give always true. So what we'll take is, we'll take false, false, we'll take it, guys. Or true, false, anything is fine. Let's take true, false. Okay. So if you take true, false, let's take the first substitution as P is equals to true and Q is equals to false. That's what we're getting. So now let's substitute these in the options, guys. If you substitute it in the first option is becoming like true or false. True or false is what? True, guys. Or true or anything is true only. Directly I can say that this is true. But let's calculate the second one also. This is like true or, again negation of false. True. True or true is false. True or true is true. So this is what we're getting it. So directly I can say that yes, first option is satisfying. First option getting true. We can't say that first option is always true. But first option for this particular substitution, whatever substitution we have taken, we are getting true, we are getting it. Now let's move to the second option, guys. Let's move to the second option. If you move to the second option, true and false. True and false is false only. How much we getting, guys? True and true we are getting, which is true. So here also we are getting true. Next, let's go to the third option. Third option, if we calculate, here we're getting true, guys. True and PR negation of Q. This is also true, we're getting it. Correct. We are not able to eliminate any options. Let's see the fourth option, guys. Fourth option is what? Fourth option is 2 and negation of P or negation of Q. This is also true, we're getting, guys. So which is equals to true. We couldn't eliminate any of the options. Guys, is it clear? Now I'll change the substitution. Let's change the substitution, guys. Instead of taking true, false, let's take true, true. Let me take true, true, guys. If I take true, true, let's see what will happen. As we couldn't able to eliminate any of the options, let's take true, true. This time, let's take true, true, guys. or you can take false, false, or anything is fine. Whatever substitution you like it, you can take it. So let me take true, true, guys. If I take true, and if I verify the option, first option, if I verify true, I am getting it. Second option, true, I am getting it. Third option also true, I am getting it. Fourth option I am getting false, guys. So fourth option got eliminated. Understood, guys? Now let's take the second substitution. First substitution already over. Let's take the second substitution. Second substitution, I am taking P is equals to false and Q is equals to false. Let's take this substitution. If I take this substitution, first option is becoming like false or false, guys. So I can write it as first one is false or, and now what about this one? This is like false or negation of false, true. False or true. False or true is what? False or true is true. According to this truth table, guys. You can see the truth table. So when we substitute false or true, yes, we're getting true. Okay, first option is satisfying it. So already option D got eliminated. So we don't need to verify again option D. Now let's go to the second option. Second option is giving like false or. This is also false, guys. So we're getting false. But we need to get true, guys. Always true, we should get it. But here we're getting false. So second option also eliminated. Guys, clear? So answer should be either first option or third option. Let's verify the third option also. For the same substitution, I'm verifying the third option. Third option is what? PRQ. PRQ is what? False or false. False or false is false. False and anything is false only, guys. But still we can do it. False or false and true, we are getting it, which is false, guys. So even third option also cancelled. Third option also cancelled. So the only option remaining is first option. That's it. First option is answer. Option B, option C, option D. Sometimes it is becoming false. So tautology means what? It has to be always true. But option B, C, D, sometimes true, sometimes false. So I can able to eliminate B, C, D. And only option remaining is option A. So directly I can say that option A is the answer. Guys, clear? How we are getting the answers very easily by taking this simple substitution. You don't need to construct a truth table. You don't need to remember any properties. Without remembering properties, without constructing truth table, you just remember this truth table, guys. You need to remember this truth table. If you can remember this truth table and if you can take substitution and verify it, easily we can able to eliminate three options. And with these three options, we can able to get the answer easily, guys. Guys, understood? Chalo. Let's move to the next question, guys. So this is the first question. First option, we got it. We too got the first option. Right, chalo. Let's move to the next question. This is also 2019. For any two statements P and Q, negation of this statement he is asking. So negation of this. So LHS is like negation of PR, negation of P and Q, guys. This is what he gave. Now we need to check which of the following options is correct statement for this particular negation of PR, negation of P and Q. So what we can do is you can take a substitution, whatever substitution you want. You can take true, 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 false, or whatever you want, you can take it. So let's take P true, Q true. Okay, let me take the substitution. First substitution I am taking P true and then Q true. Let's take this substitution, guys. Let's see what will happen. So now let's calculate option A, guys. Option A, if we calculate, let's see what we get. Negation of P, that is false. False and false is false, guys. But let's calculate the left hand side. If you calculate the left hand side, this is the left hand side, guys. So if you substitute true values here, so true or anything is true only, guys. So directly I can write it, otherwise anything is fine. So directly I can say that this is a negation of true, which is equals to false. Left hand side we are getting false, guys. As we are getting left hand side false, right hand side means what? Options. Option should be false. So which option is giving false? Let's check it. Already option A we got false. Now let's check option B. Option B is what, guys? Option B also false. Why? Because this is false or false. False or false is false. Now option C is giving true and true. True and true is true only, guys. So option C got eliminated or not? LHS should be false for this corresponding substitution, but we are getting true for this following substitution. So we can able to eliminate third option. Now let's calculate fourth option, guys. Fourth option is what? Fourth option is true double implies true. What is true double implies true, guys? True double implies true is true only. So this is also true, we're getting it. So we can clearly say that option C and option D got eliminated. So answer should be either A or B, guys. Answer should be either A or B. Now what we can do is we can take some other substitution. Let's take some other substitution. So this time second substitution, I'll take P is equals to true and Q is equals to false, or you can take P false, Q false. Both you take false, guys. Both you take false. P false I took it, and Q is equals to 1 second, guys. Already true we took it, right? So P false and Q true you take it. Okay, so this substitution you take it. Why? Because we need to eliminate one of the two options, A and B. So we are taking P false and Q true. So now let's calculate left hand side. Let's see what we get. For this corresponding substitution, left hand side, if you calculate, negation of P is what? False, guys. False, or negation of P is what? Negation of P is true. True and true is true. Again we're getting negation of true, guys. Negation of true we're getting it. So which is equals to false. This is what we're getting it. Understood now? So again we should get false for this corresponding substitution. So now let's verify the option A, guys. If you verify the option A, negation of P, that is a true, and false we are getting it. So which is equals to false, guys. First option is false. Now let's verify the second option. If you verify the second option is like negation of P. Negation of P is what? True. True or false? True or false is what, guys? True or false is equals to true only. So but we need to get false, but here we're getting true. So option A got eliminated or not? Option B got eliminated or not? Yes. Option B got eliminated. As we eliminated three options, directly I can say that this is a correct answer, guys. Guys, is it clear? How I eliminated three options? Simply, I took one substitution, P true, Q true. We could able to eliminate two options, C and D. Next, I took P false, Q true. If I take P false and Q true, I'm able to eliminate second option. So as three options got eliminated, only one option satisfying, which is first option. That's it. First option is the answer, guys. Clear? So that is the answer. First option is the answer. Right. Chalo, guys. Let's move to the next question. So this is the next question we have. Which one of the following statements is not a tautology? So that means out of four options, three options are tautology. One option is not a tautology. That's what he's giving it. So we need to find which one of the following options are not tautology. Tautology means always true. Not tautology means what? Sometimes true, sometimes false. That means whenever we get false for any particular substitution, directly we can say that is the answer. Okay. So guys, you can see in this way. See, this has to be false means what? So guys, P implies Q. When it will be false, guys? P implies Q will be false when first one is true, second one is false. So this one has to be true and this one has to be false. Let's check it, whether it can be possible or not. But if you take P true, automatically this is also true. True implies true only, we are getting it. So true implies false, we are not able to get it. So what we can do is, let's take one simple substitution like P is equals to true, we'll take it, and Q is equals to true, we'll take it. Let's check it. Let's check it what will happen. Okay. So now if you calculate, if you substitute this in option D, let's see in option D what it is coming. PRQ, that is a true RQ is a true, implies how much we getting, guys? True or false. True or false is what? True only we are getting it. So we're getting true only, guys. And what about the remaining options? All options are giving true only. Option A is giving true only. True implies true, we're getting true. Option B, true implies true, true only. Option C, true implies true, true only. We couldn't able to eliminate any of the options, guys, for this substitution true and true. We couldn't able to eliminate any of the options. Now let's take one more substitution. What substitution we can take it now? This time what substitution we can take it? So now you take second substitution. I am taking P is equals to true, Q is equals to false, you take it. So now let's verify the first option, guys. If you verify the first option, what we getting it? True and false. True and false is what, guys? True and false is false. False implies anything is true only, guys. So option A is not getting it. Now let's go to option B. Option B is what? False implies anything is true only, guys, as I told you. Next, option C. Option C is what? True implies. How much we getting it? So true implies true. True implies true is equals to true only. Next, option D. Option D is what, guys? Option D is true implies true only, we are getting it. So this is also true. So that means we couldn't able to eliminate any of the options with this substitution. So now let's take one more substitution, guys. True true is over, true false is over. Now you take false true. Let's take false true, guys. If I take the third substitution as P is equals to false, Q is equals to true. So now let's verify the first option. If you verify the first option, what we're getting it? First option is like false. False implies anything is true only, guys. So first option is not satisfying. Second option if we calculate P and true, again false. False implies anything is true only, guys. See, false implies anything is true only. Now let's verify the third option, guys. If you verify the third option, what we getting it? False implies, again same thing. False implies anything is true only. Next to fourth option is like it is becoming like true and true. False or false we are getting, guys. False or false is false, and true or false is what, guys? True implies false is false. So this is we are getting, guys. False we are getting it. So option D is correct. Option D is sometimes true, sometimes false, but remaining all options are always true. So we can say that option D is the correct answer. Everyone understood this? So sometimes first substitution itself is giving the answer. Sometimes maybe second substitution or third substitution is giving the answer. So depending upon our luck, whether first substitution we're getting the answer or second substitution we're getting the answer. Okay, right. Chalo, guys. So this is a fifth question we have. So option D is the answer. Clear? Okay, chalo. Let's move to the next question, guys. The expression is logically equivalent to which of the statements? Simple. Guys, even if you don't know anything about mathematical reasoning properties, even if you don't know anything about how to construct a truth table and verify, you don't need to worry. Just remember this truth table and then verify the options. Again, take LHS, guys. LHS is equals to negation of P implies Q. This is what we are getting it. Now take a substitution, guys. What substitution you want to take? Whatever substitution we want to take, we can take it something like P is equals to true and Q is equals to true or something like this. So let's calculate left hand side. When we calculate left hand side here, how much we getting, guys? Negation of true. Negation of true is what? False. False implies true. False implies true is what, guys? False implies true is equals to true only. So this we're getting as negation of true. Negation of true is what, guys? False. In the options where we're getting false, we need to check it. In the options where we need to get false, let's check it. Okay, let's verify the first option, guys. First option is like true and false. True and false is what, guys? False only. So first option is fine. What about second option? Second option is like true and true, which is true. So but we need to get false. So second option got eliminated, guys. Second option is not satisfying it. Now let's move to the third substitution, third option. Third option, if you want to verify it, negation of P, that is false. False and true. False and true is what, guys? Isn't it false? So false. But we need false only. So third option is fine. Next, let's go to the fourth option, guys. Fourth option is what? Fourth option is negation of P, that is false. False and false, which are getting false. Only one option we could able to eliminate, guys. Only one option we could able to eliminate. So now what we can take it? Let's take another substitution. Let's take another substitution. Second substitution is like P is equals to false, Q is equals to false. Let's see what we get it. If you take P false and Q false, let's calculate left hand side. If you calculate left hand side, it is like negation of P, that is true. True implies false. True implies false is what? So true implies false is equals to false, guys. Negation of false is equals to what? True. We're getting it. Got it now? So in the options where we getting true, in the options where we are getting true, we need to calculate. Got it, guys? Right. So let's check it where we getting true. As we got LHS is equals to true in the given substitution P false and Q false. Now let's verify it, guys. Already option B got eliminated. You don't need to verify option B, guys. So let's take this A, option A. Option A is becoming like false and true. Anyway, it is becoming false. So left hand side we got true, but first option we're getting false. Can I eliminate first option, guys? Yes, first option got eliminated. Got it clear? So two options we eliminated. Now let's go to third option, guys. If you take the third option is like negation of P. Negation of P is like true. True and false, which is equals to false. But we need to get true, guys. So option C also eliminated. Option C also eliminated. So only option remaining is fourth option. Now you don't need to verify the fourth option. Why? Because that is the only option remaining. So obviously that should be the answer. Guys, clear now? How we verified options, how we took the substitution and verified the options and finally obtaining the results. So final answer is going to be option D, guys. So option D is the answer. Clear? Right. Chalo, guys, let's move to the next one. So this is the next question. We have Boolean expression which is equivalent to this. So same again you can do this question. All the 2019 questions we are doing it, guys. See here, with this verification technique, we are solving all 2019 question. In the previous session we solved 2020 questions, and now we are solving 2019 question with this simple technique. So what you can do is, so whatever substitution you want, you can take it. So you can take, let's take it something like this. First verification, first substitution, I am taking P true, Q true, and let's check it. So left hand side, how much we getting it? Let's check it. Left hand side is P true, Q true. So if you substitute true here, true and true are how much it is? True or anything is true only. So true, and so finally this part is like false, guys. So true and false is false. So left hand side is becoming false, guys. So let me explain again. So here if you substitute true and true is true. True or with anything is true only. Even if you calculate also, this doesn't affect. Once the first statement is true or false is true or true is also true. So true or true. So as we are getting true or true, so here we are getting true. This entire thing is true. True and this part is false, guys. True and false is what? True and false is false. So left hand side we are getting false. Now let's verify option A, option B, option C, option D. Let's see where we getting false. If you take true, first option is giving true, guys. So first option got eliminated because we need false. First option got eliminated because we need false, but here we getting true. Now let's move to the second one, guys. Second one is what? True or false. True or false is true. So again, second option also eliminated. First option eliminated, second option eliminated. So answer should be either third option or fourth option. Now let's verify the third option. So when we want to verify this third option, P and, so there is a true and false. True and false is false. Okay. Third option is okay. Maybe third option can be the answer. Okay. Right. What about fourth option, guys? Fourth option is like false and false. This is false. We're getting it. So answer should be either C and D, guys. Answer should be either C or D. So now what we can do? We can take one more substitution. Let's take one more substitution. As we couldn't eliminated three options, only one option we eliminated. So let's take second substitution. What is the second substitution? We have P is equals to false, you take it, and Q is equals to false, you take it, guys. So when you take this substitution, P false, Q false, what is left hand side? First let's calculate left hand side, guys. Left hand side means this given expression. If you calculate this given expression, false and false, false, guys, are false or true. False or true is true. So true or false is true. So finally true and true we're getting, guys. True and true is true, guys. Left hand side is becoming like true. Left hand side is becoming like true. So now let's verify the options. Already we eliminated option A and option B. Now again you don't need to verify option A and B, guys. Why? Because already we eliminated option A and option B. Now let's verify option C. If you verify option C, so P is what, guys? False. False and negation of false. Negation of false is true. So finally we're getting false, guys. But actually we need to get true. So here we're getting false. So can I eliminate option C? Option C, can I eliminate? So three options got eliminated, guys. Now you don't need to eliminate fourth option. Automatically fourth option is the answer. Our aim is to eliminate three options, guys. We eliminated three options. So directly I can say that third option is not the answer. So as we could able to eliminate three options, so directly remaining option, that is fourth option, is going to be the answer. That's it. Fourth option is the answer. Guys, understood how easy this method? So guys, trust me, if you practice mathematical reasoning questions, even you can practice previous year questions also, guys. 2020, 2019, 18 questions. You practice it by using this verification method. After doing 10-15 questions, you can able to say easily within 1 minute or half minute, you can get the answer. So few questions without using pen and paper also, we can able to get the answer. Okay, right. So answer for this question is option D, guys. Okay, right. Chalo. Let's move to the 8th question. So logical statement which is equivalent to the given statement. So but if you see here, PQR, three simple statements are there. So we need to take any one substitution. Why? Because if you take three simple statements, total 8 possibilities will be there. True, 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 false, true, false, true, true, false, 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 like that. Total 8 possibilities will get it. So you take any one possibility and verify the options. Take left hand side and verify the options and check it where we getting it. Okay, right. Chalo, let's take one simple substitution, guys. What substitution we can take is, we'll take P true, Q true, R true. We'll just take this one and check it whether we're getting or not. Okay. So left hand side I'll calculate first. If I calculate left hand side, let's see what we get it. Left hand side. So tell me, guys. Negation of P, that is a false. False or true is equals to true only. Negation of true is equals to false. This is what we're getting it. R, P and R is what, guys? P and R is true. So this is what we're getting it. And negation of Q is false. False and everything is false only. So this is what we're getting it. So automatically this is a true. So true and false, which is equals to false, guys. So LHS we're getting false. But suppose in the options if we get true, then we can easily eliminate the options, guys. Okay, right. Chalo. Let's verify the first option. First option is like first option is like negation of p. Negation of p is what, guys? False. Negation of p is like false. Or true. Or true. So this is going to be true, guys. But we need false. Can I eliminate first option, guys? First option is getting eliminated. Why? Because for the given substitution, LHS is becoming false, but first option is becoming true. So can I eliminate option A, guys? Can I eliminate option A? Yes, I can able to eliminate option A. Now let's verify option B. If I try to eliminate option B, so that means let's verify it, substitute the values, P true, Q false, all this. So how much we getting it? True and false. True and false is false. False or R value. R value is what? True, guys. So finally, false and true. False and true is equals to true only. So can I able to eliminate second option also? Guys, can I able to eliminate second option also? Why? Because option B is getting eliminated. Why? Because we need false, but option B is giving true. So I can able to eliminate two options. If we can eliminate one more option, easily I get the answer. Let's eliminate one more option. Let's verify the third option, guys. Third option is becoming like true and false, which is equals to false. Okay, third option is satisfying it. What about fourth option? Fourth option is like false and false, which is equals to false. False and true is equals to false, guys. Yes. Answer should be either option C or option D, guys. Now let's take one more substitution. If you take one more substitution, this time you take different substitution, as already true, true, true is over. So now maybe you can take true, false, true, or true, false, false, or false, false, false. Let's see the options so that we get the idea. So if you take false, 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 we are getting it. False only we are getting it. So what you can do is you take this substitution, guys. Instead of taking false, 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 I'll take P true, Q false, R false. Maybe if you take this substitution, let's see what will happen. So false we are getting it. Everything false you are getting it. So let's change this value, guys. Last one will change it. Last one, if you change it, so here we'll take true. So now let's calculate, guys. Let's see what will happen. So here we're getting true, and there, what about there? Negation of P, false. Yes, now let's verify it, guys. So let's calculate left hand side. If you calculate the left hand side, let's see what will happen. I'm calculating left hand side. Left hand side is like negation of P or Q. That is false or false. False or false is false only. Negation of false is becoming like true. True or P and R. P and R is what? P and R is true. So true or true, and this you can calculate. Negation of Q. Negation of Q is what? True. True and true. Yes, so this is a true we're getting it. So finally we need to get true, guys. Finally we need to get true. But now let's verify the options. Already option A, B got eliminated. Option C will do it. So if when you are trying to do option C, how much it is giving for the substitution P true, Q false, and R true. So true we're getting here, and here we're getting false. P and R is what? P and R is true only. True and true. True and true is true. So yes, option C we're getting true. What about option D? Let's verify it. Option D, if you do it, negation of P is false, guys. False and true. False and true is anyway false. False and anything is false. So option D is giving false, guys. Option D is giving false. So I can able to eliminate option D. Why? Because as I am expecting true, but I am getting false. Can I eliminate this option D, guys? Yes. So only option remaining is option C. That's it. Option C, we got the answer. Guys, is it clear? How we eliminated three options? Two substitutions we took it, and three options we could eliminate it. Understood, na? Isn't it easy, guys? A verification is becoming easy or not? Guys, clear? So for our understanding purpose, we are doing slowly, but in exam, obviously you'll do it quickly, and definitely you can able to get the answer as quickly as possible. That is within 2 minutes, within 1 minute hardly, you can able to get the answer. So maybe let it be 2 minutes, even if it is 2 minutes also, but definitely we'll get 4 marks in our pocket, guys. Okay, right? Chalo. So yeah, answer is third option, guys. So that's what we're getting it here. Third option is answer. This is a ninth question, which is 2016 question. So let's complete this question. The Boolean expression is equivalent to, simple, guys. Same again, you take a substitution according to this table, true, 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 false, or whatever possible value we can take it. So maybe you can take true, true, or false, false, you can take it, or true, false, you can take it. Anyway, anything is fine. Let's take one substitution, guys. One simple substitution we take it. So P is equals to false, you take it, and Q is equals to false, you take it, and let's verify it. If you substitute left hand side, first let's calculate left hand side, guys. If you calculate left hand side with this substitution, P false and Q false, let's see what we get. False and anything is false only, guys. So this is going to be false. R false, R negation of P and Q. So again, this is also false. So finally we're getting false. So let's see where we're getting false. In which option it is giving false, we'll just check it. So first option, let's see the first option. So we should get false, but how much we're getting it? Yes, we're getting false only, guys. First option is giving false. Second option, what is the second option? Second option is becoming like false only. Third option is what, guys? Third option also it is becoming false. Fourth option is what, guys? Fourth option is becoming true. So fourth option only getting eliminated, guys. With this substitution false, only fourth option is getting eliminated. Remaining all options are not at all getting eliminated. Right? Now you take true, true, you take it. As already false, we took it. Now you take true, true. If I take true, true, let's see what will happen. As we eliminated already one option, this time, that is second substitution, you take P is equals to true and Q is equals to true. This is what you can take it. So now if you take P true, Q true, now let's calculate left hand side, guys. If you calculate left hand side, so what we getting it? True and false. True and false is what, guys? Here we getting false. R true, R negation of P and Q. Negation of P and Q is what, guys? Negation of P and Q is false. We're getting it. So finally we are getting true, guys. Finally we're getting true. So now let's verify the options. If you verify the option, first option is becoming like false. So first option got eliminated. Second option is becoming like true. Third option also it is becoming like true. So we can say that answer is option B or option C. Now you take one more substitution. Guys, take one more substitution. Let's take third substitution as true, true over, false, false over. Now you take P true, Q false, you take it. P true, you take it, and Q false, you take it. So now if you calculate LHS, let's calculate LHS. If you calculate LHS, how much we getting is? True and true is true. True or false are false and false, guys. So which is false? This is what we're getting it. So directly we can say that this is equals to true. This is equals to true. In the options where we're getting true, already two options got eliminated. So now let's verify the second option, guys. If you verify the second option for this particular substitution, we are getting false, guys. Why? Because here this is becoming like true and false. True and false is false. So but we need to get true. So can I eliminate option B? Yes, I can able to eliminate option B. So the only option remaining is third option. That's it. Third option is the answer. Understood now? How easily we eliminated option C? Yes. We eliminated three options and finally option C is remaining. That's it. That is the answer. Okay. Right. So that's it, guys. See. Option C is the answer. Understood now? So if you can learn this table perfectly, then easily we can eliminate, verify the options. It won't take much time to verify the options, guys. Got it now? So one more problem is there, guys. Last problem. We'll do that problem and then we'll close this session. Right. This is a 2015 question here. Negation of this statement. Either by using De Morgan laws also you can do this question. Guys, you can use the De Morgan laws and you can calculate the negation of this statement. That is also fine. But if you want to verify the options, let's see how we can do this. Why? Because see, we have two De Morgan laws are there. Negation of A or B is equals to negation of A and negation of B. This is what we have. This is one property we have. Next property we have is negation of A and B is equals to negation of A or negation of B. This is what we have. Clear now? These are the two properties we have in mathematical reasoning. These two properties combinedly we call it as a De Morgan laws. Let me write it here. These we call it as De Morgan laws, guys. Very important. So by using these De Morgan laws, directly we can calculate negation of this statement. That is fine. But as we are discussing the shortcut, without, even if you don't know how to apply the De Morgan laws, what you can do is you can verify the option. Let's take the verification method, guys, without using this De Morgan laws. So what I'll do is I'll take a simple substitution. First substitution I am taking yes is equals to true, I am taking it, and R also I am taking true. Let's check it which option is satisfying now. Now let's calculate left hand side, guys. If we calculate left hand side, how much we getting it? Left hand side is becoming like negation of yes, that is false, or negation of true, that is false, false and true we're getting it. So false and true is false, false or false is false. So finally we're getting false. In the options where we're getting false, we need to verify it. Let's check it where we're getting option false, we're getting it. Let's verify option A. Option A will verify it. Option A is becoming like false. Okay, maybe option A is correct. Let's go to option B. Option B, if you calculate how much we get it, guys. So true and false, which is equals to false only. Maybe option B also fine. So maybe what about option C? Option C also we're getting false. Maybe option C also can be the answer. Option D. Option D is giving true, guys. So can I say that option D cannot be the answer? Can I say that option D cannot be the answer? Why? Because left hand side is giving false, but option D is giving true. So can I eliminate option D? Yes, I can able to eliminate option D. Now let's take another substitution, guys. As a first substitution, we could able to eliminate only one option. Let's take the second substitution. Second substitution is yes is equals to false and R also false, you take it. Let's see what will happen. S is equals to false and R also false, will take it this time. So now let's calculate left hand side, guys. If you calculate left hand side is what? The negation of false. The negation of false is true. True or anything is true only, guys. True or true is true, true or false also true. So true or anything is true. So directly I can say that LHS is becoming true. In the options, already option D got eliminated. Now let's verify option A, guys. Option A is becoming like false, we are getting, guys. So option A got eliminated, guys. Understood now? How I eliminated option A? Because if you take yes false or true, false and True we are getting, guys. False and true is false only. So first option is false, but LHS should be true for this particular substitution. So option A got eliminated. Now let's verify option B, guys. Option A got eliminated. Option B is what? Option B is false and, so guys, false and anything is false only. So option B is also gone. So the only option remaining is, guys, only option remaining is option C. That's what we're getting it. Okay. So even if you want to verify, if you want to confirm whether option C is correct or not, what you can do is you can verify the option. So yes is what? False we are getting, right? Once again, even C also not satisfying. So I think somewhere we have done wrong, guys. Let's see where we have done wrong. Okay, just see where we're getting wrong. True, we are getting it correct only. So in the options, we should get true. So option C is not correct, guys. Option D is correct. Let's see why we eliminated option D. Let's see why we eliminated option D again. For this particular substitution, we're getting true, but actually false are false and true. False and true is false only. So false and false are false is false. So guys, all options are getting eliminated, guys. So I think for this question there might be a mistake. There is a mistake in this question. Maybe while copying or something, there is a typing mistake, I think. So for that we are not having any answer here. So let's do this question by using De Morgan laws, guys, so that we'll get to know. Let's apply this question by using De Morgan laws. Oh, once again, I did mistake here. Once again, what mistake I did it here? Negation is there. So negation I didn't consider. So negation of this we should consider. Okay, let's do this question again, guys. As we did mistake here. Let's do this question again. Let's take left hand side, guys. Left hand side, we can write it as negation of yes or negation of r and yes. This is what I am getting it. Got it? Now let's take substitution, guys. What substitution we can take? Yes, true, you take it. First substitution is yes, true. R also true, you take it. So in that case, what is LHS, guys? LHS is how much you getting it? LHS is becoming like negation of false or this is how much we're getting, guys. So this is also false, we're getting it. Finally, we're getting true. So let's check it. Where we're getting true? First option is becoming false. So first option is wrong. Second option is becoming like false. Second option is becoming false, guys. Second option also eliminated. Fourth option is becoming true. And then what about third option, guys? Third option is like third option is also true. So first two options got eliminated. Now you take one more substitution. One more substitution, you take it. Second substitution, I am taking it. We did calculation mistake in this question. So let's take second substitution, guys. If you take second substitution, maybe you can take yes false or r false or whatever you want, you can take it. If I take s is equals to false, r is equals to false. Let's check it. Option C and option D getting different values or not. Option D is becoming false. What about option yes? Option S is also becoming false, guys. So let's change the substitution. If you change the substitution, let's change it to true and false. Let's change it to true and false. Why? Because if you take true false, is option C and option D is giving different answers or not? Option D is giving false. Okay. Option C is becoming. Option C is becoming false. Both are becoming false. So maybe we need to take false this time. Let's take false, guys. Why? Because we need to eliminate one variable out of 304 means, that means C and D means we need to get different answers. So option D is becoming like false and false is false. What about that one? This is also becoming false, guys. True is over, false is over, true false is over, false true will take it, guys. Third one, false true. Yes is equals to false, R is equals to true. Let's check it. So fourth one is becoming false. Third one is becoming, third one also becoming false. Okay, so now this time fourth one will take it. Yes is equals to true will take it. R is equals to false will take it. Let's see what will happen. Fourth option false. Third option is becoming like true and false. So false we are getting it. Both options are becoming same, guys, for all the four substitutions. Okay. So let's see where we are doing mistake. Let's check it for true only once again. True if you check it. So fourth option is giving true. First option is giving true. Yes. Next false we'll take it. False it is coming, and this is also false we're getting it. False true also false only we're getting it. Next true false if you take it, false we're getting. So true and here it is fourth one, it is giving correct answer, guys. Why? Because C is giving false. C is giving false or true. Let's check it again. True we are getting, guys. Whereas D is giving false. That's what different options we're getting. Option C and option D is giving different options, different values for the fourth substitution, that which is true and false. So if you take true and false, you will get eliminated. Option D is getting eliminated, or option C is getting eliminated. Option D is getting eliminated. Clear now? So that's it. Option C is going to be the answer. Once again, here again we are doing mistake. Option C should get cancelled. Let's verify it, guys. Let's calculate left hand side, guys. If you calculate left hand side here, let's see what we get it. Left hand side, if you calculate with this substitution, true false if I take it, true false if I take it. So let's check it what we get again. False or true. False or true is true. Negation of true is what, guys? Negation of true is false. So third option should get cancelled, guys. So third option is getting cancelled. So answer should be fourth option. That's it. Got it now? Somehow we confused and finally we got the answer. Got it right? Right. So that's how we verified all the questions. By using this verification technique, we can able to eliminate the options easily and get the answers within less time, guys. If you practice 10 to 15 questions with this method, easily you'll get to know how to verify the options easily and how to get the answers easily. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this method. So with this method, we can save a lot of time in mains exam, as this mathematical reasoning is there only in mains. So we can able to get the answer quickly and we can save a lot of time, guys. I hope you enjoyed this shortcut. Okay. So see you in the next session. Okay, everyone. So bye, guys. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.